Alright, we got the Black Friday 2022. This is the gift center, the Milwaukee gift center at the new holiday promos that they got going on or will be getting later this month. Before we get started, don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make virtual review of videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help with this channel by doing so. Yes, guys, there's a lot of deals coming up. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. I will be posting as soon as they come out. I will be posting more deals, Black Friday, holiday season deals. The first one's $179. This is, you got the oscillating tool kit or the orbital detailed sander kit. So both of these do come with batteries, chargers, and bags. And then you got the 20-piece oscillating multi-tool for $49. It does include some titanium or metal blades, some scraping blades, some sanding pads. Just a nice complete kit. Very similar to the one from last year. I believe it should be about the same. If not, so correct me if I'm wrong. You got this light here. I never seen this light before. I don't know if this is a new light. This is a Rover M18 floodlight. It's a new style. Like I said, I never seen this before. Might be an older version or something, but I never seen it before. Just thought I pointed that out. $199. You got the starter kit, a 5 amp hour starter kit. That's really expensive. They should do the buy one get one free. So you, because you got the circular saw, you got the reciprocating saw, the Rover lights, angle grinder, the one-handed reciprocating saw, and then you got that light there for $99. That's the one that we just saw, which is very different from the other ones. It does have a lot of LEDs on one side. It looks like it, and you can, I guess, you can use it the way it's positioned. So you get the 10-piece saw blade plus 8 free tools, or 8 free blades, my bad, not 8 free tools. Does come with a nice case. You got the saw there. That's the M18 saw. Remember, guys, all these tools are brushless, are brushed. All these tools are older. They're the brushed version of the fuel, basically. So the older version, I would say the first once they came out. So those are not the fuel. Alright, so you got the 7-piece. You got a 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, and 2 inch. You got an arbor and pilot bits. So all that in this little kit. This is not a bad deal. It's not the best deal. We've seen this cheaper, but it is a pretty good deal. Pretty solid deal for the holiday season. $29.88 to 120-piece shockwave. You do got some drill bits. You got some 3-inch bit or 2-inch bits. It looks like you got a nice sleeve, a bit holder, Tic Tac case. I do apologize for the picture. I should have taken a, there we go. Got a nice clear picture. We got some star bits, some flats, Phillips, Robertsons. And those drill bits are compatible with your impact drivers. Some more 1-inch bits, and then you got the sleeve there, the bit holder at the bottom there. Alright, you got a brushless 1/4-inch impact driver kit. This is brushless, so these two are brushless. These are great tools, guys. Don't get me wrong. $99 will get you there. It will get you that power, the Milwaukee power, the 3 amp hours for $119, and then you got the 23-piece for $44.97. I've had that impact driver before. That thing's just a beast. I do recommend it. It's just, you just got to get used to it because it does have a huge amounts of power, and you are able to control it with that trigger, the variable speed trigger. That's the one. And just keep that in mind when you're buying it. And then we got a bucket here for the rain, so in case we get extra water inside, it'll hold it. I don't know. Somebody probably just left it there. I'm sure the store, it's probably one of the best ones or the newer ones out there. Alright, you got some tumblers. You got the 20 ounce and you got the 30 ounce. So this is the bigger one. This is the one that I should have gotten when I bought my first tumbler, but I never saw it up until now. And they got plenty of the smaller ones. So $2.99 for the 18 gauge brad nailer. And then they got 15 gauge finished nailer, $3.29. As you guys do see, they're barely stocking up on these. You got the 6-gallon vacuum, guys. This is the brand new 6-gallon vacuum. It's already on the holiday deals. It's down. It's $249. It says exclusively at the depot. Then you got $49 for the air tip dust collector. So this is great for your working on drywall, you're making a hole or something like that. You got carpet at the bottom. You don't want to vacuum the mess, the dust mess all over the carpet or something. That's a nice tip to have. And then you got the long reach flexible micro hose set, $39.97. This is new. Never seen this before either. This is actually a nice little set. So we'll look into it right now. You got a wind dry vacuum high efficiency filter, $29. Alright, so you got different sizes. You got a 1/4 inch, you got a 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/8, and 3/8. So and then you got two different sizes. This is long wise. So just depending on what you want to use it for. And then these are compatible with the vacuums, with all the vacuums that the Milwaukee has. You got 1 1/4, 1 1/7/8. So different. As you guys do see that adapter, it is compatible with almost all the vacuums out there, even with other brands. You got $149 for the stubby impact wrench kit, or you got the 43 socket set. You got the 56 metric NSA ratchet socket set. Those are really nice sets. You got the 18P Shockwave Impact Duty 1/2 inch drive deep well 6-point socket set, $99. You got the mid torque impact wrench, $259. So yes, guys, I know we've seen this cheaper with the hack, but you know that's what they have here. I really like these sockets, these square drive sockets. This is a really nice set. It does include a whole bunch of shallow and deep well sockets. You got 25 deep well and 27 sockets. That's a big kit, guys. That's a really nice kit. And the impact sockets are here at the bottom. This is the 18 piece. It's a really nice set. It says longest lasting markings. They're stamped in with ink filled, so they will last longer. It does have an adapter. These adapters don't last long. They do break easy. Those hex impact driver adapters. But you could use your impact wrench. I recommend you guys do use an impact wrench with these. $9.98 for the 3-pair black level 1 gloves. It's a really nice set there. Not too much money. It's only around $10. $19.88 for the 6 pairs of cut 1 nitro dipped gloves. A1 cut level. Alright, so you got the safety glasses, yellow anti-scratch lens, or the gray, $7.97. I do prefer the gray. Then you got the clear 3-pack for $19.97. That's the yellow. That's what it looks like. It's labeled. There's not a whole lot of yellow there. There's just a clear plastic, basically. These are the clear ones, the 3-pack. And then you got the rest there at the bottom, the gray ones, which is not a darker tint. That's mainly for indoors. And then you got the regular high impact lenses or glasses. The fog free, those are the ones that I prefer. So definitely check these out. Those are the ones that I use, the tinted. For the outside, you got the class 2 high visibility safety vest. Alright, you got the 450 Lumen spot flood lamp, $29.88. And this is battery operated, guys. Both of these are battery operated. That's the pen lights, 100 lumen. So just keep that in mind whenever you're spending money on these lamps. You're going to be spending money on the batteries. So I always do prefer to pay a little extra and get the recharging ones, the ones that you don't have to buy ever a battery unless you break the whole thing. You have to buy another one. So that is the pen light, the 2-pack of pen lights. And then it tells you what kind of batteries it uses. It does have a protective rubber. Got the 7-inch billet torpedo level, $32.97. Then you got the 24 magnetic. That's the way it looks. It looks pretty nice. It's easy to read, as you guys do see. This is the strongest. And then you got the one that changes color. It looks dark. And then once you put it up to your, bring it up to your face, it's a little red. Guys, that's it for today. I will be putting out some more videos. I will be putting out some more BOGO videos. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.